Looks like we're finally starting to wise up to this evil duplicate's tricks. What? What in the world?
Warning. The County Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event.
You can't be serious.
This warning is effective immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning.
Oh no!
Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the naked eye.
Oh no!
Warning. Your local county authorities have issued
No.
a civil danger alert.
Don't get me started!
The
No.
County Weather Service has issued the following correction for the weather warning in effect. For your safety, remain indoors.
Yeah, what? Huh?
The meteorological event is safe for all to view. Warning has been lifted.
Oh no! Yikes! What in the world? Hello?
Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights. Do not look out of any windows.
Huh?
Do not respond to any knocks on your windows or doors until the all clear is given. Remain silent at all times. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights outside your home. If you see any unidentified figure inside your home, or from the corner of your eyes,
What?
Attempt
Oh,
to
no!
make contact.
It's a lot worse than we can't be serious.
Shantae and her family go missing. Went out and search for them.
If you are afraid, we will go together.
What in the world? What?